Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're having any kind of star-themed party, you're gonna wanna get these plates from Patelai. My favorite thing about these paper plates is the beautiful, vibrant gold color. It's very bright and perfect for so many different themed events. These would be perfect for a Twinkle Twinkle Little Star theme party or even Reach for the Stars graduation. There's so many different events you can use these for. These would be perfect for your dessert table or for appetizers as they are paper plates, but you can always stack them to be able to hold more food. We decided to use these adorable paper plates at the dessert table of a gender reveal that we hosted, and they were just perfect. So if you're in the market for some star-shaped plates for your next event, definitely check these out from Patelai. They are really nice quality, they are really cute, you're gonna love them, and so will your guests, and that's my point of view.